Hey everyone, today I'm just going to do a small pour for Valentine's Day, just to put in the shop that I have up the road. But what I really want to emphasize here is that when you take your resin, you heat it in one glass, so it heats up, and then once it's to 32 degrees or 33 degrees, you then take the resin from this cup and separated it into a separate cup for your white, so the temperatures stay similar. Because the minute you pour it into your molds, you are going to lose, it's going to cool down very fast, and the thing is, if you let it wait too long, then you're going to end up with your resin too thick and your inks aren't going to move and your petals aren't going to move. So let's get to it. Don't put your resin for your white in a separate container and wait, because you will end up with two different temperatures. I was actually reading about one lady who had it standing for 40 minutes and a lot of people are saying about the sinker also, do not use sinker white, use white pigment paste. So you take all the white off, and then you take a tiny little tinge, little bit, because the paste that I use is quite heavy. And give it a good mix. Actually, I should be putting my ink in, really. Okay, so we're going to go for reds. We're going to do the same, so it can be a set. Just put some fuchsia. Yellow in the middle. I can't stand it when it spits. Okay. I'll do 2 in a spiral. And with these ones, I'll do oops. I'm not sure how they're going to work out, but we'll try. Now with these, now if your resin gets a little bit too warm and nothing is moving, you can actually take your heat gun and start warming it so it starts to start moving inwards, because it'll help your blooms move by using the gun. Okay. And this one's moving in the wrong spot, so I think I'll just do a twirl in the middle to keep the center. I'll see you back in a couple of hours.
Okay, hi.
We're gonna unmold.
And Nanny will do it first.
We're gonna unmold. Oops. Oh. Okay. Just be careful of the back. Okay, so we're ready. Just put this one under there. Ready?
Let me do this one.
Just be careful of your fingerprints, okay?
It's just a black one.
Cute.
Could do little gold eyes or silver.
Yeah, okay, now do the last one. Let's see if this. Okay.
Oh, that's bright.
Hold it from the bottom. Okay. And you do yours first. Turn you over very slowly.
Oh, wow.
Oh, cute.
You can see the sparkles.
Yep. So that's one.
That's number 2. You can see the swirl.
Be careful. And this is number 4.
Whoa.
Isn't that beautiful? And this is number. It's the 4th one.
Oh, look, they look like twins, but this one's just a bit smaller.
Okay, so I'll bring the phone down a little so we can see the flowers. And that light seems to be coming in the way too. Alright, so that's our Valentine's flowers. Say see you later.
Bye.